there guys, I'm back again and today we are going to unbox the brand new Lookfantastic box of October. But before I start unboxing, I want to remind you guys to enter my giveaway. We need to reach 600 subscribers in order for me to give away a satchel filled with makeup, and immediately after that a new giveaway will start. You guys can help me out by that by making sure that all of your friends and family subscribe to my channel. The sooner we reach 600 subscribers, the sooner this giveaway will end and a brand new giveaway will start. Okay, now that that is out of the way, let's open up the cap. Lieke? I'm not really sure how to pronounce that. It's a noun. It means happiness, good luck, and fortune. Ooh, okay. We've got the booklet, and now let's see. Oh, hey, is there a new editor? Tom? A guy? That's new. Wasn't it, what was her name? Ellie? I think Ellie was the main editor. I don't know. Okay. Are there prices mentioned in here? No, they're not. So the booklet is again useless to me. This sucks. Guys, if you want to check out the prices, you're gonna have to Google them. This is the inside of this month's box. Wow, I have to say, for a couple of boxes in a row, the Lookfantastic box has this like, what do you call it? Like aesthetic or theme, if you will, going on. Like this box is yellow and the inside is pretty darn yellow. So that's actually really, really cool. Okay. Let's start off with the first thing, which is a scrunchie, and I'm gonna give away to one of you in a future giveaway, so make sure to check out my giveaway. See what I did there? Okay, there are actually two scrunchies, so that's even better, from the Vintage Cosmetic Company. This is what they look like. They're very, very bright yellow. Well, no, not actually bright yellow, more of an egg yellow. There's two of them. There's like a satiny kind of a material. I have no idea how much they cost. If you want to know, Google it. Moving on to rituals, and this is the Ritual of Myrrh. Energize Your Soul Loving Body Cream. Okay, this is what that little fella looks like. Nice orange. Hey, I actually matched my eyeshadows orange. Wow, I am matching today. This is very cool. Anyway, body cream. Have no prices, so we're probably gonna rush through this box as I don't know how much it costs. Moving on to the last big item of the box, which is from Normal to Oily Skin. Not for me. This is a cleansing gel by eCooking, a gentle cleansing, but because it is normal to oily skin, I have dry to dehydrated skin, so this is definitely not going to be for me. It does have cucumber extract and organic glycerin, but you guys, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to give this as a little extra gift for Christmas to my mom because she has oily skin. So that's going to be for her. Okay, moving on to turmeric superfood restoring treatment mask. This little sample size is only 30 milliliters, so it's small. Smooth a thin layer onto the skin after cleansing, toning, and exfoliating. Avoid the delicate eye area, leave for 20 minutes, and then wash off. For best results, use 2 to 3 times a week. This is what it looks like, and I always love me a good mask, so I'm very excited to try this out. Okay, so we've got another small item from Filorga, the Oxygen Glow Super Perfecting Radiance Cream. This is what that little sucker looks like. Again, a little sample size. How much is in here? 15 milliliters, so it's very small. And then the last item, and then box is empty. This is Philip Kingsley, so it's going to be something for your hair. Bond Builder Split End Remedy. Oh, do I need that? I did get a haircut, but I can already tell a couple of split ends, so I need this. How do I use this? It doesn't say, so I'm going to have to look it up in the booklet as to how I use this exactly. But again, very, very pleased with this. Okay, guys, that is it for this month's box. We received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items in here. Very cool. We received at least 2 full-size items, which is going to be the eCooking cleanser. I think that's a full size. Of course, the scrunchie. The Rituals is only 70 milliliters. I don't think that's necessarily a full size. I think they have like the big, especially since it's a body milk, they usually have big full sizes. So I'm pretty sure that's not a full size. But all in all, I enjoyed this month's box. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think about this month's box? I'm really annoyed that there are no prices in here because I love to mention how much something is worth. And honestly, I pay for these boxes and I like to know how much something is worth. So that kind of sucks, I have to say that. Don't forget to enter my giveaway, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!